I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Mazda CX-5 battery step by step. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and removing the key from the ignition. Wear gloves and safety glasses, then locate the battery under the hood and clear nearby debris. Use a memory saver if needed, then loosen the negative terminal first, followed by the positive, and remove hold downs before lifting the old battery out. When replacing a battery, safety and the right tools matter most. First, check the battery voltage with a digital multimeter so you know if replacement is necessary. Put on gloves and goggles to protect against acid and unexpected sparks. Keep a memory saver or write down radio presets to preserve settings, and have a wrench set, socket, and battery brush ready for cleaning terminals and removing corrosion for a better connection. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical guides. Quick recommendation: books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite makes waiting on parts or charging time more enjoyable. Check the description to find the Kindle link and other deals I mentioned, and tap like if this helped you. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Follow these simple steps for a smooth swap. Loosen the negative terminal first, then the positive, and remove any hold-down brackets. Carefully lift the old battery straight out, inspect the tray for corrosion, and clean as needed with a brush. Place the new battery in the tray, secure hold-downs, and reconnect positive then negative terminals. Tighten clamps snugly, start the engine to confirm a solid connection, and recheck voltage with a multimeter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.